Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karashyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Viva Samprukto Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshaраsamamnayam adhigamya maheshwarat kritsnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaye namaha vakyakaram vararuchim bhashyakaram patanjalim paninim sutrakarancha pranatosmi munitrayam. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So we are seeing Kridanta. Kridantas are derived by the addition of Krit Pratyaya to Dhatu or Pradipadikam? Dhatus, right? So what are the Krit Pratyayas which we are seeing? What are the Krit Pratyayas? The Tavatu and Ta Pratyaya, they are Bhuta Kridanta. Bhuta Krit Pratyayas. There are many other, but let us see this Bhuta. Only these two. Bhuta is only these two. Bhute, Arte. Krit Pratyayas. Therefore, they are called Bhuta Kridanta. Bhuta Kridanta means Krit Antaha, Krit Pratyaha, Antaha, Yasya Saha. That which ends with Krit Pratyaya. Bhuta means past. That is why it is equivalent of lung. So, Tavatu and Ta Pratyaya. Tavatu, Kartari, Ta, Karmani. Both are Bhute. Both are Bhute. Tavatu and Ta, content of Tavatu is Tavat, content of Ta is Ta. Tavat, that is Tavat, Takaranta. Ta is Akaranta. So, Akaranta Shabda one is Akaranta, other one is Takaranta. So, Ta Pratyaya we will see, which is Akaranta, it is simple. Now, Tavat which we are seeing, which is Takaranta Shabda. So, Takaranta Shabda, important thing is, the last class I was telling, to the basic class, Takaranta, all Takarantas or Shabdas are same, but it is, that's why when it comes to Kridanta, what will happen? I was teaching Marut Shabda, all the Takaranta Shabdas declensions are same, but it is not. Marut Shabda is not like Patitavat. Why it is not like Patitavat? Because of the difference in the Pratyaya. Both are Takaranta. Marut is also Takaranta, Patitavat also Takaranta. But they are not same. The forms are not same declensions. Why? Because Patitavat is Tavatu Pratyayanta. Even though all are takaranta, but you see the difference. Shatru also takaranta. The content of Shatru is at. The content of Tavat is Tavat. And Marut may be derived from the from a dhatu by the Unadi Pratyaya. Unadi Pratyaya, therefore that Unadi Pratyaya ending with Takara, therefore Marut Shabda. Possible. I don't know exactly how it is. I have to check that. Marut. Therefore, any beginner, when you see Takaranta, so many Takaranta, why there is difference? All Takarantas are not same. Even though all are Takaranta, but they are not same. We have to know the Pratyaya. The knowledge of the Pratyaya is important. Then only the declension can be understood. Then only the difference in the declension can be understood. Okay. So, Shatra is Patan Patanto, Patat Shabda if you take. Patan Patanto, Patantaha. Declension will go like that for Pullinga. Whereas Patitavat, Patitavat, Patitavan, Patitavanto, Patitavantaha, it is completely different. So what accounts for the difference? The Pratyaya. The Pratyaya and the ending of the Pratyaya. Even Shatra, among Shatra and Tavatu. Why there is a difference? Both are same only. Both are Takaranta and both are Ugitanta, right? Both are Ugit Pratyayas. Even though they are Ugit, but they are not same. Why they are not same? I told you the reason in the last class. Shatra, the difference is Atu. That it letter makes a difference. That is the significance of it letter. So we think it letter is something packing letter, just remove and throw it, but it is not like that. It has got so much implication because it is Atu and Shatru, that also both are Ugit only, but Atu. Therefore, Atu ending Shabda, Atu ending the Shabda, the Pratipadikam, Atu being Ugit, of course it is Ugit. So Atu ending, then what will happen? That in addition to bringing Num Agama, what will happen? When followed by Su, the Su is called Asambuddhi, 1 is called Asambuddhi Su, 8 is called Sambuddhi. You know the name, right? I taught you. Ba, Pada, and Sambuddhi, Asambuddhi.
Yes.
What is Asambuddhi? What is Sambuddhi?
Sambodhana Pradama.
Sambodhana Pratama Ekavachana Pratyaya is called Sambuddhi. Now what about 1? Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam? Both are same, right? Asambuddhi. Not Sambuddhi, Asambuddhi. Simple. It's a Nanch Tat Purusha Samasa. 8 is Sambuddhi, 8 Su. 1 Su is not a Sambuddhi, Asambuddhi. Therefore, when the Pratyaya is Atu, then that is Atu Pratyaya. Shatra, unlike Shatra is not Atu. Then what happens when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows? Numagama, that is common. But in addition to that, what happens? Upada Dirghattam happens. That is the significance of the Ita letter U. Why it is Shatra, it is R? Why not Shatra also can be given U? All are Ugit only. Why here Tavatu? Why not? It should be Tavatru. R is anyway, it's Ita letter. No, which becomes Ugit only. That's the reason. That's the reason. Tavatu, Davatu, Matup, and so many other pratyas. Any pratyaya, whether it is Tadita pratyaya or Krit pratyaya, any pratyaya, if it is Tavatu, then you have to be alert. That is, in addition to Numakama, what happens is, when Asambuddhi Su follows, I mean 1 follows, what happens? Upada Dirghatvam Bhavati. That is why Patitavan you get. In Shatranta, you don't get like that. It is only Patan, not Patan. Patan. That is the significance of Ugit. The last class we saw. Here, it is Nummagama, it is common. And Upada Dirgatvam, Patitavan. Right? We saw this in the last class. Right? We have all the lingas. 43rd Shabdasya, Pullinga Rupam, Strilinga Rupam, Napamsakalinga Rupam. We saw, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. Okay. And I told you one here, I changed something, the order, even though it is here. Okay, I didn't change it, but I told you to understand, right?
Yep.
Here. What did I say? I remember this.
Dirgatvam first comes and then only Nummagama.
Please note. Dirgatvam first and then only Nummagama. Even though not written like that, but that is how you have to understand. Because this document was prepared not for the advanced students like you now. Okay, it was prepared for them. I mean, it was in the beginning that time. So please note, for Tavatu, that is Atu ending, what happens? Dirgatvam first and then only Nummagama. See, it is logical. See, I told you the logic also. Nummagama comes because of Ugidanta Pradipadikam, right? When Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. Ugidanta Pradipadikam takes Nummagama. Now, Nummagama, being a myth agama, comes after the last stretch, right? So it becomes it should become Patitavant. Now, why we, in this case, when Asambandhi Su follows, why do we do Upada Dirgatvam first and then Nummagama? This Nummagama should be done first, really speaking. But here we don't. Why Nummagama should be done first? Let me tell you that. See, Nummagama becomes an integral part of the Sthani because Num is like a friend. It comes and gets added to the Sthani. It is Mitravat, not Shatruvat like Adesha, right? Adesha replaces the Sthani, whereas Agama is added to the Sthani. It gets added to the Sthani and becomes an integral part of the Sthani. After that, only the other karyas should be done. That is a rule, actually. But in this case, it is violated. And that's the reason. When you study Sutra, you will come to know why we say like that. It is out of scope now. But that is why I said here it is violated. That always remember, Nummagama, that Agama is first and then only other karya. It is a rule. But that is not strictly followed everywhere. Because here is an exception. Here there is an exception where we do Upada Dirgatvam first and then we do Nummagama. So it's the other way. So this detail I cannot teach you to the beginners, right? So that's why I didn't do like, I just made like this. As though Num is first and then Upada Dirgatvam next. Okay, but really speaking, it is Patitavat and then Num Patitavant. And then, Su goes away. Then Takara also goes away. You get Patitavan, Utirupa. You can just note this point. Okay, this is mainly for Atu ending. Mainly for Atu ending. You see, I'll tell you another thing, another example I'll give to understand this. 1 minute. You see the screen here. Now, this one Shabda, which is not a Ugit, okay, which is not an Ugit. Vedas is there in Shabda Manjari. What is the meaning of Vedas?
Vedaha, is it?
No, what is the meaning of Vedas? Mahaprana, not Alpa Prana, okay. Not Vedaha, not Vedas here. Vedas, Mahaprana.
Is it something to do with brain, buddhi?
No, not Medha. It is
not
Vedas.
Veda. Okay.
What is the meaning of Vedas? Anybody?
No idea, Guruji.
Shabda Manjari is there. Please check. Vedas means Brahmaji.
Oh,
Vedas. Now, when you decline this Vedas, adding su, Vedas is, the word is derived by the addition of some unadi pratyaya. Some, unadi pratyaya, and what unadi pratyaya to check. Anyway, some pratyaya, unadi pratyaya. And it is not a ugit. That much you can note. It is na ugit. Na ugit. Vedas plus su.
so no numagama,
No numagama business here. Su is,
asambuddhi.
it is asambuddhi su. Therefore, Vedas plus sakara. Here also, you can note it is na ugit. At the same time, it is ending with us ending. Ending with us, yes or no?
Yeah, as and at have the same rules.
Yeah, we have seen that, right?
Hmm.
I think I told you that us, atu, and in fact, it is atu and us.
Yep.
Have the same rule with regard to upada dirgatvam.
Yep.
With regard to upada dirgatvam, it is same. Here it is not ugit, therefore no num agama. Please note.
Vedas.
Here, okay, let me show you the Shabda Manjari. I will derive the first Pratama Bhakti. Other forms you can do it. You can see the Shabda Manjari. Sakaranta Shabda. Okay, this gone before. Here it is. Vedas means Brahmaji. Chaturmukha Brahma. Okay, not Brahma. Brahma. That's why I said Brahmaji. What is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam? Vedas Sakarantaha Pullingaha Vedas Shabdaha Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. If you see Sarvanamastana Pratyaya and Asambuddhi Su, Asambuddhi, that is very important, follows. This is a ascending. What happens? Upada Dirgatvam happens. It's a rule.
Hmm.
We'll learn all those rules later. Upada Dirgatvam happens. Then Sakara. This is Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya,
Ekal pratyaya,
that will
followed by hal.
following the hal, therefore it will drop. Vedas you get. And Vedas is now Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru, right? Ru is nothing but a Repa. Repa will become
Avasana.
Visarga.
Visarga yoga.
So therefore you get Vedaha iti Pratama Bhakti. That's what is a Vedaha. It's Shabda Manjari. Vedaha. Similarly, other Shabda. Chandramas becomes, what is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam? And Sumanas,
Sumanaha.
Purodas,
Purodhaha.
Purodaha, not Purodasaha. Okay, Purodha. What about Nachiketas?
Nachiketaha.
Nachiketaha is not Bhagavachan, not many Nachiketas. Okay. Nachiketas is Sakaranta Shabda. Nachiketaha, Nachiketasau, then Nachiketasaha,
Saha.
Nachiketasam. It's all simple. Nachiketasam, Nachiketasau, Nachiketasaha. Similarly, then Vedasa. Okay. What about 3-2? Okay, we are not interested in this. Why I came here to show it. Anyway, we'll cover this also. It is extra. Okay. This is not our focus, but still. Why I said took this Shabda is you can see the Upada Dirgatam happening. So Upada Dirgatam happening when Sasambuddhi Su follows for these two things. That is, one is Ugit Atum, number one. And number two is Na Ugit. Na Ugit, can I write Anugit? Can you follow? Na Ugit is what? Anugit. So Anugit as. Anugit, I specifically write Anugit, okay? Because there are Ugit, other endings are there, but Anugit as. So for these two, what will happen? When Asambuddhi Su follows, Upada Dirgatam happens. For Atu ending example, Patitavata itself you can take. Patitavata example if you take. So that becomes patitavat, atu ending, plus su. What will happen? Patitavat plus sakara. Since it is a ugit, the and saranamasthana pratyaya follows. Therefore, what happens? Numagama comes. Patitavant plus sakara. Sakara pratyekal pratyaya become lopaha, and this is becomes a padam. Padante sayoga, conjunct consonant is that, therefore last letter of that will drop. You know it, right?
Yep.
You have seen. Therefore, you get patitavan. This is for ugit. And for non-ugit, this is an example. This is not a ugit and ending with us. This is very important. That is a sutra. Atvasantasya chadhatoho. The sutramasti. Atu plus ascending. When followed by asambuddhisu, upada dirgatvam happens. So, therefore, anugit as, if you see, you get vedaha, right? Vedaha, vedaso, vedasaha, vedasam, vedaso, vedasaha. Now, what would be Tritiya Vibhakti? Interesting. Again, we are not interested in this Shabda now, but still, since we have started, only this Tritiya Vibhakti I will do. Other forms you can do it simple. What will happen here? Vedas plus su. Please tell me. Vedas will enjoy what Sanya?
Bhasanya.
Basanya.
No, not Bhasanya.
Sorry, Padasanya. Padasanya.
Padasanya.
3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 3. Remember, Padasanya. Now, what is at the end of the Padam?
Sakara.
What will happen to Sakara at the end of the Padam?
Visarga. Visarga.
It will become room.
Visarga.
No, room first.
Yeah.
Visarga, it will become, when it is not, when it is at the end of the Padam, Avasana, it's here, it is not Avasana. We are going to do Sandhi, followed by Bhyam. Pratyaya is followed by Kar letter, it will become Visarga, but not a Kar letter here. It is Bhyam, it's a Jal letter. So replace it by Ru. Ru is Repa, right? Now what? Okay. Now what will happen to Ru now? You know the Sandhi rules very, very well. Ru preceded by what letter?
Akara.
Followed by what letter?
Harsh letter.
Therefore,
Vedo.
what is that? What is that Sandhi?
Uttu.
Utva. Uttam happens. Then after that Guna happens, A plus U becomes Vedho, Vedo Bhyam. Right? That's what happens.
Hmm.
Similarly, Vedho Bhyam, Vedho Vihi, right? See now. Vedase, Chaturthi Ekavacham. Vedase, Vedho Bhyam, Vedo Bhyaha. Vedasaha, Vedasaha, not simple addition. Vedho Bhyam, Vedo Bhyaha, Vedasaha, Vedasoho, Vedasam, Vedasi, Vedasoho, Vedas plus Su. Just add. You get that. Simple. Vedas plus Su. Padan, that Sakara will not. What will happen to Sakara? Okay. That also will follow the sequence. Vedas plus Su. What will happen? First is Vedas enjoys what Sanya?
Padasanya.
Padasanya. Therefore, Padanta Sakara, what will happen? Padanta Sakara, followed by Su. What will happen to Sakara? When followed by Kar letter, it will become Padanta Sakara, it is Ru. Okay, let us do step by step.
Visarga.
It is Repa, then Su, followed by Kar letter. What will happen? It become Visarga.
Visarga.
Then after that, again, followed by Shar letter. This is. Therefore, the Visarga can be optionally replaced by
Sakara.
So therefore,
Sakara.
Vedasu or your
Vedasu.
Vedaha. So
హలో
both are
క్లాస్ లో
possible.
ఉన్నాను తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాను.
Understand?
క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాను.
Then 1 is, sorry, 8 is Asambudhi. Therefore, there Upra Dirgatam, that is Dirgatam doesn't happen. So Vedasu, then 8 Vedas plus Su. This is not, this is Sambuddhi, right? Therefore, this is not Asambuddhi, Sambuddhi. Therefore, Dirgatam, Upada Dirgatam will not happen. Therefore, what will happen here? Vedas plus Sakara, Sakara will drop. You have Vedas, and then Padanta Sakara becomes Ru, Ru becomes Repa, therefore Vedaha. This is 8-1. Understand? Same, this is how Vedas comes. Nachiketas, Vedas, Purodas, Chandravas, etc. So, why what is the reason? I mean, this, as I told, this is not our focus now, but the note point to be noted is atu ending and as ending. For these, when followed with Saṛvanamasthana Pratyaya, Upada Dirghatam happens. That is common. That is the context. That's why I bring this one. In the case of atu, since it is a Ugit, Nummakama comes. Then Nummakama should be brought in after Upada Dirghatam. This point you can remember. And this not being a Ugit, therefore no business. Right? It's clear.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. This you can note. Okay. This not there in the file and all. You can note later when we study that, that time you can bring it to your knowledge. I mean, you can see the further in detail. Okay. How not required. Now we don't have to have all the information. Just remember this. Atu ending for this something special is there. Okay. Now this Patitavan to Pullinge and Shrilinge we saw Patitavat is a Pradipadikam. You add the Pratyaya. The Pratyaya is really, it is Ni Pratyaya, which is a Srilinga Pratyaya, Ni. To convert a Ugitanta Pradipadikam to Srilinga, any Ugit, okay, need to add Ni. Content of Ni is E. Therefore, Patitavat plus E. Now, here Patitavat, what Sanya it enjoys? In fact, here also it is Basanya only. Okay, now anyway, that Sanya is not important in this context. Only in Supratya you saw Basanya, right? When followed by, when the Pratipadikam is followed by the Yakara di Pratyaya or Ajadi Pratyaya, then it is called Basanya. That's how I taught you, right? What is the Basanya? When followed by, when the word is, when the Pratipadikam is followed by the Pratyaya beginning with what letter?
Yakara.
Yakara or
Bha
Ajadi.
pratyas.
Ajadi, right? Pratyaya beginning
They are all
with Ach.
Ajadi. Bha pratyas are Ajadi.
Not Ba Pratyaya. Okay, we can loosely call that Ba Pratyaya beginning with vowel or Pratyaya beginning with Yakara, right? Is it? Follow me. What Basanya? What is Basanya? Basanya is that is Pratipadikam gets Basanya when it is followed by the Pratyaya beginning with Yakara or the Pratyaya beginning with Ach. Now,
Okay,
that is Basanya. Now, where is Pratyaya beginning with Yakara and all here? Not there at all, right? So, in this Supratyaya, only the Pratyayas, Asaṛvanamasthana Pratyayas, beginning with Ach only, we consider, because that alone is there. There is no Yakara. So, therefore, the Basanya is not restricted only to Subanta. It is wide. It is wide. So, therefore, not only to Supratyaya, even to other Pratyayas also. This is Ajadi Pratyaya. Therefore, this gets a Basanya. Okay, anyway, that Sanya is not important here, but in some place it may be important. That is why the rule is given like that. When followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, or Yakaradi Pratyaya, the Pratipadikam gets Padasanya. This is a Pratipadikam only. Patitavat is a Pratipadikam. From a Pratipadikam, we derive another Pratipadikam by the addition of Srilinga Pratyaya. And here it is Ajadi Pratyaya. Therefore, what a Sanya it enjoys? Pasanya. Okay, therefore Patitavat plus E, Patitavati. Now you get Pratipadikam, a new Pratipadikam, ending with Ikara, like Nadi Shabda. You can decline. In Ikara and the Shabda, Srilinga Shabda, you will not get Num. For the reason I told you. Why? You will not get Num. What is Patitavat? It's split into individual constituents. Patitavat is Patidatu plus Itavat plus E, right?
E.
Now, when followed by Saṛvanamasthana Pratyaya, Su, for example, what will happen here? So, is Saṛvanamasthana Pratyaya. what will happen?
E
When
is
followed
not
by,
Ugit.
sorry?
E is not Ugit.
When followed by Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Ugitanta Pratipadikam gets Numagama, right?
Mhm.
This is not a Ugit anymore. And Ugit is here, before E. What precedes Su is E only. So, therefore, it cannot jump and ordain Numagama, not possible. So, therefore, no Numagama here. Su will drop, therefore, you will have Patitavati only. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavacham. Su drops, okay. The Su dropping also, we know the Su dropping only for when following a consonant we saw. Not only that, in fact, it's a long sutra. Even when it follows a long vowel, that is why in Rama, Nadi and all, you don't see Su. There's no Visarga, right? Rama, Rame, Rama, Pratama Bhakti, Rama only. Nadi only, Ikarantaha. So, not only following a consonant, when follows a long vowel also, Su will drop. That is an extra information. Don't worry about that. Just telling. So the sutra says like the Algya, Byaha, Dirga Sutis Saṃskṛtam. It's a long one. Whatever required for our context, that alone we take. So Su also will drop. Therefore, like Nadi Shabdavati, simple. In other words. So Patitavati you get. Right? So Patitavati, then forms are Patitavati, Patitavatyo, Patitavatyaha, iti rupa. Napumsakalinga, already told, it is like Jagat Shabda. And it's a okay, therefore, when followed by Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, gets Numagama. And for Napumsakalinga, it is 1, 3 and 2, 3. Therefore, Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavanti, right? The last class we saw. Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavanti.
Vanti.
I think I gave you some extra information also. O will be replaced by E, right?
Yep.
And Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Jas and Shas is replaced by short E.
Yes, Guruji, you did.
Yes, we have done that. Okay. So we'll move on further. So all these things we have seen. So therefore, this now we will see the form. All these things we have seen in the last class. Napumsakalinga, how it comes. Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavanti. Napumsakalinga. Palam Patitavat, Palam Patitavati. Don't think this Patitavati means what? It is not Srilinga. Okay. Patitavati, Napumsakalinga. Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. 2 fruits fall. Fell, not fall. Patitavati is equal to, what is the equivalent at Digantam?
Apatan.
Apatatam.
Apatatam.
Pale apatatam. Palani?
Apatan.
Apatan. Patitavanti is equal to apatan. Palani.
Apatan.
Patitavat is equal to apatat. Apatat, apatatam, apatan. Pale, palam apatitavat. Pale patitavati. Palani patitavanti. Okay. All this thing we have seen. Now, how to form Kridantas? This is where we are supposed to start. So, any doubts up to this stage? If you have any, please ask. Any doubts?
So far, good, Guruji.
Okay, it's good. So far, good. How to form Kridanta? Identify whether the dhatu is a set or anit or weight. What is set? What is a set dhatu?
Which takes Itagama with Valadi Prachaya.
Which takes itakama. That's it. It's a set dhatu. There are again a lot of. This is in fact this is a difficult section. This that itta set tom, anit tom. So that's why it is not taught in the. I mean, not that easily. It is. I have done in my playlist. You can see set is there, but difficult to follow. It requires a lot of other backup information. It's little. It's difficult. Anyway, but that just to know set, and it will take certain things for granted and do. Okay. So we have to find whether the dhatu is set or anit or wait. You can follow that from the dhatu kosha. It's given. And here the pratyaya is ta tavatu, valadi pratyaya. Therefore, they are set pratyaya. It will take itagama. So with regard to pratyaya, there is no problem. But with regard to dhatu, we have to find out whether it is set or anit or wait. If it is set, dhatu is also set, then itagama is a must. If dhatu is anit, then itagama will not come. If it is a wait, we have two forms, optional, right? Therefore, with it, without it. I mean, wait means definitely, of course, you will get it only. That's why because valadi pratyaya, it must get the itagama. Okay, there is no choice. Sorry. So if it add itagama before applying any rules, either on the anga or the pratyaya itself. Okay, if it is said dhatu, add it. Itagama to the dhatu or the pratyaya. Pratyaya only will take it because it is tit agama. Tit agama means tit agama where it will come. At the where the tit agama will come.
Before the stana.
Agama is ordained to a sthani where it will come in the beginning or end or middle.
Before.
Before beginning.
Before beginning. Numagama after the last touch. Kitagama at the end. Okay. You can remember like that. Tit, mit, and kit. This is the order. Adyantau takitau. We say Adi antau takitau. Adi is tit, anta is kit. Then what about mit? Mit is antya achaha paraha. After the last touch. So in this order, you remember. So Tittagama, therefore, Tittagama is ordained to the pratyaya, not to the dhatu. Even though we say dhatu is said dhatu. But Tittagama will not come for the dhatu. If it comes, what will happen? All dhatus will become ajari. It's a problem. Therefore, it is only for the pratyaya. So pratyaya will take Ittagama, provided the dhatu is set. Therefore, the next step is Ittagama to be done. And one good thing here is, it's a kit pratyaya, therefore no angakarya here. No angakarya, therefore no problem. Therefore gunadi, etc. will not happen. Based on the nature of anga, then certain rules are there that we will see. Based on the nature of anga, with what the anga ends with, etc. You have to apply the rules. That we will see. Summary of rules is there. That I will show you later. So pat plus itavat, patitavat. This is how we get. Now we got a pratipadikam. Patitavat derived from the dhatu pat by the addition of krit pratyaya. So here the prakriti is dhatu, pratyaya is krit. Therefore you get a pratipadika. Suppose if the pratyaya is supratyaya or ting pratyaya, then you get a padam. This is not a padam. To be converted to padam later by the addition of supratyayas. That is what the declension is. Okay, then our derivation of tavatu pratyayantam. For the dhatus taking ittagama. So you will see a lot of points here. I have classified the dhatu into so many categories based on the nature of the dhatus. And the rules are common for the based on the group. I grouped them based on the nature of the dhatus and the rules of the similar nature. The rules for the similar nature dhatus are common. Okay. Now for dhatus taking ittagama, take the example of creed. You can check the dhatu kosha. Creed is a said dhatu. So creed plus tavatu being said, therefore pratyaya will take ittagama. No angakarya possible here. Kitvat. Therefore creeditavat. So creeditavat is a new pratipadikam. You can decline in all the gender. Creeditavan, creeditavanto, creeditavantaha, creeditavan. Pada dirgatvam and then numagama. Therefore creeditavan. Kreditavanto, kreditavantaha. Strilinge, kreditavati. You add E, pratyaya, you get kreditavati. Napumsakalinge, kreditavat, kreditavati, kreditavanti. So like that. Only Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana Rupam I have given here. Other form you can do it. It's like Panditavat. So Lik Dhatu becomes Likitavat. You can see the Dhatu, which kana, whether it is said or anit or wait are given and the meaning. And Krit Pratyantam Rupam, Pullinga Pratama Bhakti, Trilinga Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, Napumsakalinga Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. So lek becomes likitavat. Arch, said dhatu, architavat. Jeev, jeevitavat. Pat, patitavat. Kup, kupitavat. Pat, patitavat. Raksh, rakshitavat. Yach, yachitavat. Ava, rakshane. Avitavat, avitavan, avitavanto. Rud, to cry. Second gana, ruditavat. See, rud and all difficult. Lang lakara, you see, the forms are difficult. You need to remember. Otherwise, the lung form rupams are difficult to even the derivation also. Some certain steps are there. It becomes difficult. Of course, not second gana, okay. Then seventh gana, third gana, if you take, where the duplication happens, it becomes a little difficult job to get the lung form. And to remember that it's more difficult. That is why kridantas are used. So very simple. Rud plus, you need to know whether it is set or not. Rud plus itavat, ruditavat. Saka ruditavan, he cried. How do you say he cried in the past tense? You have to find out. Rud is there, shab comes, and shab becomes look, then rud becomes arodat, something will come like that. Kridanta is simple. So rud, ruditavan, ruditavanto, ruditavantaha, sa ruditavati, te ruditavatyau, taha ruditavatyaha iti. You can do it. Shiksh, shikshitavat, gan dhatu, 10th gana becomes ganitavan. Chint, chintitavat, chintitavan. Agam chintitavan, I thought. What will be the lung form of chint? I think, I thought. What is the lung form?
Aham achintam.
Not achintam, not 10th gana, not like that. No?
Achintyam.
Achintyam. Really, achintyam. Think achintyam to be really thought of. Chint. What is the form? Anybody? Lung, Pratama, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Chint.
Itavan, Nakara
Chintam.
goes,
Chint. Huh?
Chintam.
Chintam.
Nakara goes
Mhm.
Lopaha, Guruji.
See how much you struggle. What about Kridanta? Is it easy? Is it not easy? Simple,
Yeah.
right? Simple, Chintitavan. Done, right? Whereas it is Kridanta, if suppose lung lakara, you have to find the lung form, think what is it? Okay, anyway, now let us do what is the lung form. Churdatu, what do you say? Achorayata, achorayatam, achorayan. Achorayaha, achorayatam, achorayata, right? Same thing here also. What will happen? Chintadatu. Achintat, simple. Right? Chinta becomes or you say it is achintam. Yeah, achintayat, achintayatam, achintayan, achintayaha, achintayatam, achintayata, achintayam, not right? It is achintayam. The form is achintayam. Aham achintayam. You can say, I thought, I thought. Achintayam. Aham achintayam is equal to Aham chintitavan. But chintadhatu has some peculiarities. That is, it can take niche, it need not take niche also. Therefore, achintayam is one form, agam achintayam, or agam achintam also possible. That's what I think. That's what you said, no? Somebody said achintam.
Yes, Guru.
Yes, sir.
But how do you know achintam? You just guessed, right?
Just, yeah.
But 10th gana should take niche. It's a rule. For chintadhatu is as a choice is. Therefore, achintam. Okay. Otherwise, achintam will not come. Dhatu is chint. Chint plus nich will become chinti. Chinti becomes chinte, chintaya. That's the form. Then add the pratyaya. Chintayati, chintayataha, chintayanti. Latlakara. Lang lakara, achintayat. Chintaya once you get. Then add atagama, then add the pratyaya. Achintayat, achintayatam, achintayan. Achintayaha, achintayatam, achintayata. Achintayam, achintayava, achintayama. By nich you get achintayam only. But this dhatu, some peculiarity is that niche becomes optional for this dhatu. Therefore, achintam happens to be correct. Okay. Otherwise, it is achintayam only. Okay. Anyway, so achintayam. So you see, therefore you see, you have to know the form. You have to decline what is dhatu, whether and adding niche and then shap and then pratyaya, getting the form. But this is very simple. Aham chintitavan. I thought. Aham chintitavati. Simple. That's why kridantas are highly useful. Replaces a lung. Jalp. Jalpitavat. Arth. Arthitavat. So here you can see whether it is parasmay, but okay. For lung, for lakara, another thing is you have to know whether dhatu is parasmepadi or atmanepadi. It's another headache. Here there is no such problem at all. Whether it is parasmepadi or atmanepadi, whatever it is, same rupam. I mean same steps only, same procedure. Add the pratyaya, then say if it is said itagama, then join, you get that form. Ikshitavat. Ikshitato is atmanepadi. Ikshate, ikshete, ikshate. Okay, what will be the lung lakara? Pratham purusha ekavachanam of iksh.
Ikshata.
Aikshata.
No.
Aikshata.
He is ajadi. Atagama will come. Aikshata, aikshata, aikshana. All this we have seen. That recollect. Atagama you should not add. Okay, art. And after adding art, vriddhi happens. A plus E becomes I. Aikshata, tadikshata. Right? Which is easy. Aikshata is easy or ikshitavan is easy? Ikshitavan. Of course it is ikshitavan. Simple. That's why in the Bhashya Mandal you will see Bhashyakara will give the kridanta forms. For their Kriyapada Mandal, he will give equivalent kridanta rupa. Kat, katitavan. Grish. Here this is an example where, okay, of course, we'll not know why and all it is here. It's out of scope now. You can see Grish is dhatu. You have another form, Ghosh also. You have another form, Ghosh. You can note that. Okay. It is there, that's what given. Grishitavat or Goshitavat. Both forms are there. So like this, some peculiar things also will come that I can note. Jwal, Jwalitavat, Kampitavat, Kampdhatu, Mil, Vitavat, 10th gana, Chur, Choritavath. Achorayat is equal to Choritavan. Achoritavati, Achoritavati. Nad, Naditavat. Nind, Ninditavat. Pal to protect. 10th gana. Palitavan, Palitavati. Devi, Palitavati, Mam. Palitavati, Palitavat. So all these are the dhatus which are set dhatus, taking itakava. So they fall under this category, and that I have numbered it as A. Then the next one, okay, some exercises I will do. Agam Gitam Patitavan means Patitavan. What linga is it? What linga? This is Pullinga. From Patitavan you can know it is Pullinga. So Agam Gitam Apatam. Putram Patram Likitavan. Right? Likitavan. Putraha Patram
Alikhat.
Likitavantah. I mean, Bhagavachanam I said. Okay. Or Alikata, that is long form. Rama Patram Likitavati. Mata Shishum Rakshitavati. Tvam Devam Architavan. Kaha Patam Patitavan. Who read the lesson? Choraha Abhushanam Choritavan. Saha Shakam Patitavan. What is the meaning?
Patitavan. Patitavan.
What is the meaning of this?
I mean, he threw
Through the branch.
through the branch.
Pat is to fall. Here Patitavan, not Patitavan. Okay. Caused to fall. He caused the shaka, the branch to fall. It means he threw. I mean, he cut maybe the tree and caused the shaka, the branch to fall. Right? Saha shakam patitavan. Balakaha dugdam पीतवन्तः
बालकः
सा असत्यं भाषितवती सैनिकाः देशं रक्षितवन्तः भिक्षुः दानं याचितवान् छात्रा वेदं शिक्षितवती सः व्याघ्रम् ईक्षितवान् शिशुः नक्षत्रं गणितवान् सः कथां कथितवान् सः मित्रं मिलितवान् सूर्येण चन्द्रः ज्वलितवान् चन्द्रः ज्वलितवान्. This is again it's a peculiar sentence. Surya becomes a karana. Anyway, it's karana tritiya. By the sun, Chandraha is Jolitavan. Jolitavan is akarmaka dhat. Therefore, it cannot take karma. Chandraha Jolitavan only. And Suryena is not the karta.
Karana tritiya.
It's the karana here. Not kartari. Otherwise, if you take karta, then it becomes kartari priyaha. That's why I said this is be careful here. Chandraha is the subject. Chandraha Jolitavan. And Chandraha by what? Surya. Surya is not the, here it is karta, it is karana. This is a good example for karana tritiya. Similarly, then Kridanta Dvivachanam, the same thing. Okay, I will do one thing. I think the same thing. Huh? Okay, from here, you can read and tell the other Vachanam. For this also you can do. Why not here? Ekavachanam is there. Each one of you can read three line. You can tell the Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam Rupam of this. Whatever gender it is given accordingly. Yeah? Yes, who wants to do? Please do.
Aham Gita Patitavan, Avam Gitam Patitavantau, Vayam Gitam Patitavantaha.
Number 2.
Putraha Patram Likhitavan, Putrau Patram Likhitavantau, Putraha Patram Likhitavantaha. Rama Patram Likhitavati, Rame Patram Likhitavatyau, Ramaha Patram Likhitavatyaha. Mata Shishum Rakshitavati, Mate Shishum Rakshitavatyau, Mataha Rama Rame Mate.
No. Matra it is. Rikaranta.
Mataraha Shishum Rakshitavatyah.
Yes.
Tvam Devam Architavan, Yuvam Devam Architavantau, Yuyam Devam Architavantaha.
Good.
Kaha Patham Patitavan, Kau Patham Patitavantau, Ke Patham Patitavantaha.
Yes. Another 3. Next person.
चोरः आभूषणं चोरितवान् चोरौ आभूषणं चोरितवन्तौ चोराः आभूषणं चोरितवन्तः सः शाखां पातितवान् तौ शाखां पातितवन्तः ते शाखां पातितवन्तः बालकाः दुग्धं पीतवन्तः सो बालकः दुग्धं पीतवान् बालकौ दुग्धं पीतवन्तौ बालकाः दुग्धं पीतवन्तः सा असत्यं भाषितवती ते असत्यं भाषितवत्यौ ताः असत्यं भाषितवत्यः सैनिकाः देशं रक्षितवन्तः सैनिकः देशं रक्षितवान् सैनिकौ देशं रक्षितवन्तौ भिक्षुः दानं याचितवान् भिक्षुः दानं याचितवन्तौ भिक्षवः दानं याचितवन्तः.
Next 3.
छात्रा वेदं शिक्षितवती छात्रे वेदं शिक्षितवत्यौ छात्राः वेदं शिक्षितवत्यः सः व्याघ्रम् ईक्षितवान् तौ व्याघ्रम् ईक्षितवन्तौ सः तौ ते व्याघ्रम् ईक्षितवन्तः शिशुः नक्षत्रं गणितवान् शिशौ नक्षत्रं
Guru.
ओके शिशुः
Not Shishu. Dvivachanam is
शिशु नक्षत्रं गणितवन्तौ शिशवः नक्षत्रं गणितवन्तः। सः कथां कथितवान्, तौ कथां कथितवन्तौ, ते कथां कथितवन्तः। सः मित्रं मिलितवान्, तौ मित्रं मिलितवन्तौ, ते मित्रं मिलितवन्तः। सूर्येण चन्द्रः ज्वलितवान्, सूर्येण चन्द्रः ज्वलित
No. Chandra, you have to say two Chandras are there if it is.
चन्द्रौ, ओके, सूर्येण चन्द्रौ ज्वलितवन्तौ, सूर्येण चन्द्राः ज्वलितवन्तः।
Yes. Now similarly here also. Again, the 3 you can do. Dvivachana is there. Ekavachanam and Bhagavachanam we can do. Yes. Please do anybody.
आवां कथां पठितवन्तौ अहं कथं
Katham.
पठितवान् वयं कथां पठितवन्तः
Good.
फले पतितवती फलं पतितवत् फलानि पतितवन्ति
Very good. Yeah, yeah.
अहं कविते लिखितवान् आवां कविते लिखितवन्तौ वयं कविते लिखितवन्तः विघ्नेशः लेखे ग्रन्थितवान् विघ्नेशौ लेखे ग्रन्थितवन्तः वन्तौ विघ्नेशाः लेखे ग्रन्थितवन्तः रमा गद्ये ग्रथितवती रमे गद्ये ग्रथितवत्यौ रमाः गद्ये गतितवत्यः
What is the meaning? Rama Gadya Raditavati.
Gadya means the prose. Grathitavati means she has written like
Two prose.
two.
Process. Gadye, Gadyam, Gadye. Okay.
Arakshakau chorau taditavantau. Arakshakah choram.
Chora only. That is all. That will not change.
Chorau taditavan. Arakshakaah chorau taditavantaha.
Yes. Next person. Next 3. Please do. Anybody? Kautraj, you do.
राजानः चोरान् दण्डितवन्तः राजानौ चोरान् दण्डितवन्तौ
No. Rajanaha is Bhagavachan, right? Danditavantah.
या दण्डितवन्तः
Ekavachan, Dvivachan only.
राजः
Not Raja. Raja.
Raja.
Nakaranta
sorry.
Shabda. You will see. Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha.
राजा चोरान् दण्डितवान् राजानौ चोरान् दण्डितवन्तौ.
Yes.
शिक्षिकाः बालकान् पीडितवत्यः शिक्षिका बालकान् पीडितवती
Shikshika Piditavati, Shikshiko Piditavati, Shikshikaha Piditavatya. Yes.
भक्ताः शिक्षिके बालकान्.
What did I say? Shikshike, sorry. Shikshika, Shikshike. Sorry, Shikshike.
भक्ताः देवी पूजितवन्तः भक्तः देवौ पूजितवान् भक्तौ देवौ पूजितवन्तौ.
Yes.
रमा बालिके मिलितवती रमे बालिके मिलितवत्यौ रमाः बालिके मिलितवत्यः. ते उष्ट्रौ ईक्षितवन्तः सः ऊष्ट्रौ ईक्षितवान् तौ ऊष्ट्रौ ईक्षितवन्तौ पिता रूप्यकौ गणितवान्
पितरौ
पितरौ रूप्यकौ गणितवन्तौ पितरः रूप्यकौ गणितवन्तः.
Yes. Next 3. Jyoti ji, can do.
नेक्स्ट रमणः कथे रचितवान् रमणौ कथे रचितवन्तौ रमणाः कथे रचितवन्तः
Yes.
अमात्यः राजानं द्वेषितवान् अमात्यौ राजानं द्वेषितवन्तौ अमात्याः राजानं द्वेषितवन्तः ताः आभूषणं वाञ्छितवत्यः सा आभूषणं वाञ्छितवती ते आभूषणं वाञ्छितवत्यौ वृक्षात् फलानि पतितवन्ति वृक्षात् फले पतितवती वृक्षात् फलं पतितवत्.
Very good. Upasakaः.
I cannot see the screen,
No.
Guruji.
Okay, now.
उपासकाः मन्त्रं जपितवन्तः उपासकौ मन्त्रं जपितवन्तौ उपासकः मन्त्रं जपितवान् ते चलनचित्रे लोचितवत्यौ सा चलनचित्रे लोचितवती ताः चलनचित्रे लोचितवत्यः.
Very good. So I think Bhagavachanam we will do in the next class. So this is group. In this group, all the dhatus are said dhatu. Therefore, adding that, you get the form. So I'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
अतः गुरुजी